Hello, I'm Dr. Rob Yeung. I'm a performance psychologist and a coach at a consultancy called Talent Space. And I'd like to talk you through a guided session of mindfulness. We're going to do something called the body scan, which involves moving our awareness to different parts of our body and thinking about the sensations there. So to begin, find somewhere quiet where you can sit down where you won't be disturbed. Then sit upright with your shoulders back. Then, when you're ready, either close your eyes or at least defocus your eyes and rest your gaze on a still object. Now just focus on your breathing. So focus on the sensation of the air as it enters and exits your nostrils. Just breathing at your normal pace, but focusing your awareness on the sensations of air as it enters and leaves your nostrils. Now, you may find during mindfulness that your mind actually wanders, that thoughts come into your head of things that you've done in the past or perhaps things you need to do. And this is entirely natural. When that happens, just gently usher the thought to the side and try to return your awareness to your breath. So just a few more breaths. Now, focus your attention on your feet. What are the sensations you can feel there? Is there any tingling or throbbing? Perhaps you can notice the weight of your feet against your shoes or against the floor. Or maybe you don't detect anything at all. But all you need to do is just notice whatever is there or not there. Now move your awareness to your knees and your thighs. What can you feel here? Again, is there any tingling or sensation? Maybe you feel discomfort or even pain. Perhaps you can feel the pressure of the backs of your thighs against a chair. Now focus on the sensations within your buttocks. You may feel the pressure against the chair or the seat. What else can you detect here, if anything? And remember that thoughts will come into your head. When that happens, just engage with them only lightly, then gently usher them to one side and return your attention back to your body. Now to your belly. What can you feel here? What sensations do you detect? Notice if there is any fullness or emptiness, perhaps hunger. Can you feel the rise and fall of your belly as you breathe in and breathe out? Now move your attention to your chest and your shoulders. Notice whatever sensations you feel here. Perhaps you can feel your pulse, movement within you. Notice if there's any tension or tightness. You don't have to do anything about it, just observe it. Now move your attention to your hands. What do you detect here? Is there any tingling or sensation, perhaps the flow of blood through your hands, or the gentle pressure of your hands against your lap or against the armrest of your chair. Now move your attention to your head. Can you feel any sensations on your scalp? What about your face? Perhaps warmth or coolness, if there is any movement of air against your face. Can you feel the weight of your tongue perhaps pressing against the roof of your mouth or against your teeth? Whatever you feel, whether it's positive or negative or nothing at all, just notice it, observe it. Now, as we bring this session to a close, bring your attention back to your breath, the sensation of air as it enters and exits your nostrils. So breathing at your normal pace. And remember that you can do mindfulness at any time. You can either listen to guided sessions such as this, or you can just decide to focus on your breath and the sensations you feel within you. And you could do that silently when you're sat at your desk, or when you're stood at the bus stop, or even on a busy, crowded train. All mindfulness is about is focusing your attention. Finally, thank yourself for having invested a few minutes in developing and honing the gift that is your mind. And then when you're ready, open your eyes and continue with your day.